So this one, we're gonna make a kind of a Greek village salad, mix it in with some greens. I'm just starting our dressing in a jar. This is just a quick Greek vinaigrette that we're making here. Actually, it's more of a creamy dressing. And I'm squeezing the juice of a lemon. I'm adding acid to 1 shallot and a clove of garlic. So we're gonna add a little everyday vinegar. So this has a double acid in it. It has both lemon and the wine vinegar. Red or white, doesn't matter. I've got boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm gonna brown our chicken. When we come back, we'll finish our dressing and build our salad. All right, so I flipped the chicken, flipping the bird. In the bowl, I've got a mixture of some gem romaine, these little baby romaine, and an entire bunch of flat leaf parsley tops. Now we're gonna finish our dressing. It already has the juice of a lemon and a couple tablespoons of everyday vinegar, my family called it, or wine vinegar. 1 shallot grated, a clove of garlic, salt and pepper. To that, we're going to add our Greek yogurt, a couple of fat spoonfuls, and oregano, scant palm full of oregano, which in Greek means joy of the mountain. Give this a shake. Think of it like Greek ranch dressing. And then we're going to take some mild peppers. I have a red field pepper and a cubanelle pepper. I have some seedless cucumber and several tomatoes, lightly seeded and then all chopped into bite-sized pieces, going into our salad bowl. To that, we're going to add some Greek pickled peppers, sliced into little rings, pepperoncini, and a couple of fat handfuls of pitted Kalamata olives. And then we're gonna dress it with our Greek dressing and toss that all together. For the feta, I get good Greek feta, and of course it comes in its brine. You can also add a little splash of that nice salty brine to your dressing, certainly wouldn't hurt anybody. And I use a fork. I just take out a chunk and use a fork to crumble it right over the salad bowl, just like that, right in. So I'm going to dress the salad. When we come back, we're gonna char up some pita and serve dinner. So I'm charring up some very thin pita. Here's our Greek salad with our Greek yogurt dressing. And then I serve this by taking the large charred pitas and I cut them in half, put it on the plate, top it with some of the salad, and then strap the salad with our sliced chicken. I slice the chicken on a bias, and I douse it with a little lemon juice right before you serve it. You pile some of the chicken up on top. Whoops. And then as you eat it, of course, you just fold this over and make a little sandwich. So there you go, salad night.